Hello, everyone, and thank you for visiting Jennifer Clair Astrology. I'm Jennifer Clair, and in this video, you're going to learn what it means to have Libra Rising. If you have Libra Rising, you express yourself with diplomacy and tact. You are considerate, conscientious, and at times overly concerned about your appearance or social impression. Always attuned to creating harmony and agreeableness in your relationships, you shy away from conflict and do everything you can to keep the peace with others. You are good at accepting paradox and making everyone feel accepted no matter their social standing. You enjoy looking at two opposing views and considering how they both can be right. You put a lot of effort into finding common ground and appreciate it when others do the same. Similar to a Gemini ascendant, you are very interested in other people. The difference between a Gemini rising and a Libra rising is that while Gemini is very interested in how others think and what they know, Libra is more concerned about the potential for a relationship to form, whether that is a romantic relationship or simply a new friendship with someone they admire. Libras are always on the lookout for opportunities for companionship. And this is natural because Venus, the goddess of love, is their ruling planet. That said, relationships are good for you to cultivate and beneficial for your growth. People can help you accomplish your goals and see your visions more clearly. Libra also rules balance. Balance in all things, and this includes within a healthy partnership. When one person gives, the other person gives. And when one person has skills in one area, the other has skills in another. In this way, two halves make a whole. Two people come together, complementing one another perfectly and making life easier than if two people had to do everything on their own. In the shadow, Libra rising can be so quick to find the points of connection and possible compatibility that he or she easily overlooks all the red flags that may, in fact, not be acceptable to him or her at all. So it's important to be discerning and to know thyself before you get into a relationship. Lastly, this ascendant sign is usually blessed with outer beauty and attractiveness. This can be both a blessing and a curse because many people will be drawn to your presence and you will like their attention. However, it can mean that you often attract attention you do not want. So, again, be aware of how your natural niceness comes off because you don't want it to end up giving someone the wrong impression, i.e., that you are flirting with them when in fact, in your own head, you're just being polite. Also, remember that although seeking harmony in relationships is a worthwhile goal, if it ever stops you from being your true self and expressing your true needs, that's when you know you've let your diplomacy go too far. You can be real and be likable at the same time. In summary, if you have Libra rising, you are friendly, sociable, non judgmental, and easygoing. You naturally make a good impression because you are gracious and agreeable. The best advice for you is to choose your friends and partners wisely. Make sure that you are receiving an equal amount of time, energy, love, and affection as you are giving. I hope you've enjoyed this video on Libra Rising. If you have, feel free to subscribe or leave a thumbs up, and I look forward to sharing more with you soon.